Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take the macro photo with Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite. And to do this we'll need to open the camera. Here go for the photo mode and click on the three lines from the top left right corner of the screen. Here's the macro, enable it, and now pick up your phone. Find the object that you want to take the photo of. In this case, let's go for our logo right here. Make sure it has a very good light. Now zoom in on it and click on the shutter when you're about 4 or 5 centimeters away from the object, and also that it's in a focus like that. And this is how the macro photo should look like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.